Well, my friends, in this moment, in this wonderful church graveyard, at 12 o'clock, and I'm going to give you some godly words to my gentlefolk of Llanmaes. Do all the good you can by all the means you can, and I'm particularly aiming this at you, Mandie, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, and Kathy, be aware of that. At all the times you can, to all the people you can. And that's exactly where I stand today. As long as ever you can. And that is about you, John. What one generation tolerates, the next generation will embrace. Unless God has raised you up for this very thing, you will be worn out by the opposition of men and devils. But if God be for you, who can be against you? And we are talking about you, Michelle. Are all of them together stronger than God? Oh, be not weary of well-doing. Because we can all do well-doing, can't we? And needn't you answer that? And finally, my sermon today, we should be rigorous in judging ourselves. Yes, Mandie. And gracious in judging others. And yes, that is you, Kathy. And we shall be very thankful for our gathering today. And thou as Lord in our hearts. And may we be praised. And amen to all of you. Thank you very much. And I don't even get a clap. Oh, John.